In this video, we're going to be showing you what they're doing to my parents' house. So if you're interested, stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively MsMe. Now I know I look a little thrown off. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. If you like this kind of content, I would love for you to subscribe and become part of the family. And to my creative family, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now today, guys, I'm at my parents' house and we've been doing a little work here, getting it ready for repair. They were hit by the storm, seriously bad. The house is flooded, about 30,000 plus damage to the home. So I'm going to show you around what we've done so far. We have the movers here moving the furniture out today, so bear with me. Okay, here's the kitchen. I have to finish getting some boxes and to get the glasses and the other bowls out, and all the cabinets up here need to be emptied because the kitchen was flooded, so all these cabinets are going to be torn out and replaced. You can see the dirt stuff on the floor from where the water was. Now they already started taking up the floor here. They took up all the wood floor here to there. Okay, they've already cut some of the sheetrock here and here. They have more to do. Now this is my dad's man cave. We've already pulled up some of the stuff here on the floor. They pulled up the trim and cut here, but they're coming back because they're going to cut above that line in here. They cut over here and they've done over here. This cabinet is coming out. They cut there, and this piece up here is coming out, and they've already cut part of the ceiling where it busted. They trimmed that out, but it's still over here that needs to come out too, and right about here. And then in the closet, the carpet is coming up in here because water got in here. You can see some mold there on the floor. So this is coming out in here. And then here's where most of the damage was done. It's in the bathroom. As you see, part of the cabinet is here because that's going to the trash. And in here is where the damage happened. All right, they started pulling this cabinet out and stopped. And they've already cut that. And you see the damage here. That whole wall is coming out above the plug. The mirror, when they took the mirror out, it was mold behind here on the piece that was holding it. So they took that out. And we are going to work on getting that light moved. We want the lights moved down. So that's why I'm going to have them cut that out. Here's the ceiling. Here. And you see where the pipe broke. Here. That insulation there has to come out. And then as you go here, they've already cut here. But this wall has a bubble up here, so that has to go. And you see the wood here that was in here, the wood floor has already been picked up. And in the bedrooms, all the carpet is coming out. The movers are taking the furniture out now. They've already started in this room. Carpet is coming out in here in the closets, and the sheetrock as well in this room and this room. And as we go here into the family room, they've started cutting some here. And the baseboards in here. All the furniture has been moved to the middle so the movers can get to it while they were taking the baseboards. And here in the entryway here, they've already cut that sheetrock. And as you see, they've cut here already. And then as we go here where the dining room is, they're going to cut this wall. It had a bubble. We have to poke the bubble to get the water out. So this will be coming out, the sheetrock. And all my mother's furniture, we've already emptied the china cabinet, thank God. And then the bed is coming out. Go ahead. Okay, here's my parents' room. We're taking stuff out of here now. Focus. They've already took the baseboards. They're coming back tomorrow to cut all this sheetrock out and pull up the carpet in here. And they started cutting here, but they wanted to wait because they didn't want to mess up the furniture. Now this wall has a bubble for some reason, so I'm gonna make sure they take that one. The carpet in this closet is all coming out. It got wet. It stinks. And in here, where the cabinets are, these are coming out, and so is the carpet, and the sheetrock behind it, and the mirror for the mold. And I'm having that light that's up there. I'm having both of them move down here. And I'm going to put new light fixtures right there. And this block up here is coming out too. And hopefully, on the light, hopefully in here in their bathroom, I'm taking this tub out and making this a walk-in shower for my parents. This wall is coming out. The ceiling in here is coming out because of the damage with the water. You can see where it's buckling. That has to come out because that's connected to the garage. And this wall right here is messed up, so it will have to come out as well. So we're moving stuff slowly to get it out and get the stuff out so they can clean tomorrow. So I'm excited the movers are here to get things out. Trying to get the big furniture out at least. So I'm sitting here waiting. I'm exhausted, guys. Last night I did so much work in here last night, emptying the floors of the closet, packing up dishes. I am exhausted. And so when this is done, we have to pick up the stuff off the floor that's left, the boxes and stuff I seen on the floor, and get those out the way so when they come tomorrow morning, they can pull up everything. And then once they do that, then we get in the house repiped and a new AC and heat unit because it's dead. And then get sheetrocking, installation, new floors, paint, doors, trim, all of that good stuff is coming in, and new cabinets in the kitchen and the bathrooms, new light fixtures, hinges, doors, all that wonderful stuff to make the house look good. And I'm changing the paint color from this beigey color to a soft, light gray that's relaxing, and make sure all the trim is done in white. So I've shown you everything. Oh, this is the funny part. That is a stack of trash that they took out of here yesterday. Now, when they take the carpet and stuff out, it's going to be out there also. So, I've shared with you what I've been doing the last couple of days. And I'm exhausted. I am. Oh, the pantry. Oh. The pantry, they cut the wall out here. And the ceiling is gone completely. They cut here and above the door where it was messed up. So this trim is going to have to come out because it's warped.
The end tables on top of the dressers.
And this is everything in the garage that we took out the closets and out the house that we moved small things. And then here is the ceiling in the garage. Yes.
Sorry, is it okay that I use these for padding?
Yes.
Okay.
The ceilings in here has been cut out, but it's going to have to be cut more because it's still warped right there. We need to make sure that's fixed correctly. And over there. But everything so far has been doing pretty good. We got a pod outside, and that's where we're storing that furniture until we move it back in the house, because it'll be about a month before we get them back in here. But again, I'm exhausted. I was falling asleep driving over here, literally. And I live 5 minutes from my parents. That's how tired I am. So when they finish this, I'm lock up the house. I'm going home and get me rest. Rest. So I hope I'm going to take you along with me on the journey to restoring my parents' home. I hope you enjoy as much as I will be doing when it comes time to make it pretty. So let me know down below, and I'll answer any questions that I can. And as always, you be blessed. If you want to keep watching more, check out these videos I have listed here in the end screen. And you be blessed.